Hi everybody, welcome to my backyard garden. Today I'm going to show you when it's time to pick your onions, and it's time to pick onions. So what you're looking for is normally an onion, the leaves will be standing up straight vertically like this, and when they're ready to pick, they're going to fall over like this, like all these have right here. Now when you pick these, don't grab them by the stalks and pull them up, because you'll pull them off. Just dig them out a little bit, like that, because you want to keep the leaves there until you're done drying them. Now you can take your onions and you want to cure them if you're not going to eat them right away. So if you want to store them, you'll need to cure them. That means just letting them dry out. Now you can put them out and let them start to dry out with the dirt on it. I don't want to do that. I'm just going to rinse them off. You don't want to like really wash them. So I'm just going to get them wet, knock some dirt off of them, and then I'm going to just lay them out in the sun to dry. Now you can let them be out in the sun for a few days to cure. And what you want to do is have these outer layers, 2 or 3 outer layers, dry up and create that, just like you can see in a store-bought onion. Or you can take them into a cool, dry place and set them and cure them for 2 or 3 weeks. So it just depends on what your situation is. But I'm going to dry these off, lay them out in the sun here today because I'm not going to get any rain for a couple days at least, so I can do that. You don't want to lay them out if it's going to get wet and rain on them. Another way you can cure them outside is by putting them back down in the garden and covering them with a small hoop tunnel, or whatever you want to do. Just cover them up so they don't get wet. You can leave them out in a few days out in the sun to do that. Now when you're curing them, you want to make sure that if you're laying them out on a table or in the sun, wherever, you want to turn them over every couple of days. What you're looking for is just for the skin to dry up, the roots to become brittle, and the stalk to get dry and brown. Alright, there we go. We're going to set these up for a few days, let them dry. Now I put the towels underneath because the stones will get really hot and I don't want to damage the onions by burning them or anything. So we're going to leave them here. I'm going to turn them in a couple days and then they should be done, and I'll be able to put them down in the basement, store them in a nice cool dry place. Hey, hope that video was helpful. If it was, give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you would, and hit that bell to get notified of my future videos. If you do all that, it really helps the channel out and I appreciate it. I'll be back soon with more stuff. Bye bye.